Hey glam babies. Yep, I just came up with that name. So all of you guys that are watching me are part of the Glam Babies Glam. Hey. Okay, so you guys are going to be called Glam Babies. That's my name for you guys. Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I will show you guys my top 5 favorite nude shades, okay? And I really hope that you guys enjoy this look. I tried to do maybe like a smoky eye because that's mostly what everybody wears in nude. I hope you don't try to wear like a dramatic lip as well with a dark smoky eye. You guys get it together in 2020 now. But I hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned so you can see my top 5. If they work for me, maybe they'll work for you. I have some high-low brands in there. So some brands that are high and some of them that are low. Let me know what you guys think. All right. All right, you guys. So first I like to line my lips with like a brown liner. So I'm going to do, it's by ColourPop and Makeup Shayla line. It's BFF number 3. I love Shayla so much. So I also love all of her products that she recommends are like hella bombs. And let's get to it. So also when I line my lips, I like to slightly overline. I really don't need to, but like the pouty lips are in right now, so the number 1 lipstick that I'm gonna try on is gonna be the ColourPop Makeup Shayla line. Like I said, this is Quickie, so this isn't part of her. I think she had like a second like relaunch line that came out. I believe this is just on the first one. So don't mind my fingernail, it just broke down to the meat and it's really painful. Okay, so here's what I usually do. This one is a satin finish, by the way. So I put it in the middle of my lips and I don't try to put it over the liner because that kind of defeats the purpose, but sometimes it happens. So I rub it in. So lipstick is also made for you not to super rub in as if you're wearing chapstick. You kind of just like blot your lips like that. I rub it in a little bit more. I love the color of these. However, when I say these, I mean the ColourPop lipsticks. However, the quality of it isn't that good because it does get like a little like cracky or something weird happens where it just looks weird over time. For a satin finish, like for a liquid lipstick, that's like normal. But for a satin finish lipstick, it's kind of like, because I've worn MAC and MAC is like good to the end. So this is the color. So obviously I'm extra AF. So I don't just leave my lips like this, even though it looks good. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Maybe I should try leaving my lips like this sometimes, you know? I am going to show you guys what it will look like with the gloss over. Sorry, I keep looking to the left. It's just my window is open and cars are driving by and it's so weird because I never had the windows open. So I don't know why my eyes just keep looking that way. Anyways, so, oh my bad. I'm going to be putting on the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. This one is in the color Venus. It's very pretty. It has like a rose gold pink undertone. So here's what it looks like with the gloss, which is what I usually do. I'll let you guys take that in. Okay, so that's the first lipstick, the ColourPop one. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, you guys, so I already have my lips lined. The second one, this one is Velvet Teddy by MAC. And you guys, this is just so bomb. This is actually a birthday gift from somebody. And it's more of like a pinkish, nudish color. It is so bomb. I really like it. Do you guys see this happening? I could probably do a little bit more lip liner. This one's cute too, but it's more like a pinkish. The other one was more of like a orangish, like a coral kind of nude, but more in the nude range. This is definitely more like a pinkish. Baby, look at this. I'm not even gonna do gloss on this one. I need to close that window for real. But I'm not even gonna do gloss on this one because it is so pretty. So this is my second favorite. It is the Velvet Teddy, once again by MAC. And I love it so much. You can do it with or without the gloss. I think this looks good as is. I wouldn't really add gloss to it, but I know there's some gloss girls that like to add gloss to anything. So do you, boo. Like I said, if that's what, you know, makes your life easier, makes your life better, go ahead and do it. So moving on. Okay, so my third favorite, this one's gonna be like a low. I do a lot of lows for my lips because I go through my lipsticks. You know, different trends are like different colors are trendy during the time, and then they're not trendy and you spend all this money on them. So I don't buy too many expensive lipsticks, even though I do feel like it's worth it because it's better quality. And when you're going out, especially for long periods of time, it's better to wear the expensive ones because they don't mess up, they don't move, they don't smear, they don't crack. Okay, I'm getting off topic once again. So I love this Maybelline matte line. This one is Naked Coral. It's a super low. I think it was only like $5 or $6, and look how pretty that is. It's honestly, it's kind of like a dupe from the last one, the Velvet Teddy by MAC. It looks very similar. Let me try to hold them together to see. But the Velvet Teddy is a sheen, and this one's a matte one. But you can see how similar they are, but at the same time, they're different. Like when you put them on, it's like, the thing about nudes is it can be like a tad bit, like a tad bit darker or a tad bit lighter, but when you put it on, it's like, wow, it's like a totally different color. Okay, so I already have my lips lined as usual. So we are gonna try this Naked Coral. Look at that, so pretty, right? But let me show you guys what it looks like with lip gloss on, because this one's really pretty like both ways. So pretty. I love this so much. Okay, so this is with that same lip gloss. I usually wear the same lip gloss just as long as it's like, you can do clear, you can do with the shimmer. I always like a shimmer because I'm extra, so. Look at this. So this is the third one. This one is Naked Coral once again. So we're moving on to the fourth one. So let me go ahead and line my lips first. So my third favorite, this is fairly new. This is a ColourPop and Shayla. This is like, this is called Slow Down with her Proceed to Caution line with ColourPop. This is the second launch, but this is a new color that she dropped. And she dropped like a lippy with a liner. And baby, this is so bomb. She had two of them, but I only got this one because this is the only one that I really liked. And it's worth it. It's a liquid lipstick, by the way. So let me show you guys how I do it. This one is a totally different technique. So, well, not that different, but a little bit different. So I already lined my lips like what you guys saw. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this on how I will put on the regular lipstick. So I don't put it over the lip liner. I just put it kind of like in the middle of my lips. And then I blot. I gotta hurry up and blot before it dries down, because when it dries down, it doesn't move. So I blot, Ba, 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 ba. So you're gonna blot like your life depends on it. And then look at that. That's all you need. You can do another coat maybe if you're going out, but I'm gonna go ahead and line it with the liner that it came with. The liner it came with is BFF number 4, so it's a tad bit darker. It's probably like about the brown like this, the same brown I would use for my brows. So let's see. You guys, moving on, last but not least, my last favorite and part of my top 5 nude collections are the NYX matte cream lipsticks. So this is in the color Nude Daphne, I think that's what it is. This one is coral nude, so it's more of like an orangish. I feel like it's not showing up as vibrant and as orange as it is on the camera, but in person it's very, very orange. But this is perfect for like if you have a look like this eyeshadow I have on now. See how it's dark and shimmery? I've worn this color with it and it's bomb. It is so, sometimes you want a nude that kind of like stands out, that's not so nudish. It's nude, but it's like a lighter, kind of like brighter nude. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't know if you guys ever want that, more of like a standout-ish kind of nude. And then you have your nudes where it's like, it's more calm, like you don't want your lips to be seen as much. So this one's more of like going out, standout-ish kind of nude. But let me show you how I wear this one. So I'm gonna start off by lining my lips as usual. See how it has that ombre effect? If I were to just wear this color by itself, it would be way too bright for my complexion, but the liner really tones it down and it gives it like an ombre effect, so it's like, oh, it works, it looks good on her. But in reality, if I just put this on, it will not look good on me. Most of these colors won't look good on me, honestly, but the liner really ties everything in together. That's why I'm doing the liner with the nudes, so that you guys can see that if you do see a nude that you really like and you feel like it doesn't go with your complexion, all you need is a liner. A liner is here to save the day, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and do what I did for the last one. I'm going to line it with the darker one with the BFF number 4. Blot it like your life depends on it. But not blot it like you're wearing chapstick though. You just want to like softly blot it, you know? Do you think it looks pretty? Or do you think it looks whatever? Do you think I should put gloss over it? Or I think I'm just going to keep it matte. I've been liking this just matte look. It's matte, but it has a little bit of like a sheen. And I feel like it goes good with my eyes. I always wear this color when I do like my gray eyes like this, my smoky eyes. So that was my last one. Here it is. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, share my video with friends and family who you feel like are struggling with their makeup. I'm just here. I just want to help you guys out, give you guys my tips and tricks so that you guys can figure out your own way on your makeup journey. Let me know what you guys think. Totally. Okay. Bye, glam babies.